Okay, so what do we give this campground, Barnwell State Park in South Carolina, Blackville? Hey guys, Jules here, and John's behind the camera. We are here at Barnwell State Park in Blackville, South Carolina. And our little visit here didn't get off to exactly a great start. We actually pulled in. It's a very bumpy road. We're going to be showing you some of the roads and some of the things here. But we pulled into this spot. We're at site 84, which is a full hookup site. Fairly cheap. I mean, $21 a night for full hookups is great, but you get what you pay for. But anyway, we didn't start off on the right foot. We rolled up, and we're going to show you what happened when we rolled up. Okay, so we rolled up, and Johnny actually hit, he was pulling up and backing in, and didn't see a tiny little tree that was there. And he actually, we heard a crash, like a loud thump noise and a crash, and he had hit the rearview mirror on the tree. So now we've got to go and find a replacement mirror for this right here. But anyway, so we didn't start off very good here. First of all, the roads are very, very bumpy. We're not the type to complain though, but we'll just let you see for yourself as we take you throughout the park. Okay, so guys, one of the drawbacks here, like we said, you get what you pay for. It is cheap and it is full hookups, so that's amazing. That's great. Now, one of the things that we are having to do is carry our trash a very long way, and so if you don't have a tow car, like we don't carry a tow, we don't pull a tow car right now, but you know, if you have like a truck, a pickup truck or something like that, it would be really easy to take your trash down, but it's a long ways from the campsite. I don't even know how far, but we've got to walk it down today, so we're going to take you with us. So yeah, this right here is the campground. It's not very big at all. I think it has like 20, I don't know, maybe 24 or so, 23 campsites. And actually I said we were 84 site, but we're 18. I'm thinking about the next campground that we're going to, but the camp hosts are parked beside us. We haven't seen them in a couple of days. They've been gone. And we're of course right here. And all these sites right down through this lane, all the way up to ours, are full hookups. Sewer, water, and 50 amp electric. But one of the things as well is that if you are not on a full hookup site here, their dump station's broke right now. And so you have to pull on one of these empty full hookup sites and dump your tanks, which we saw a man do this morning. Okay, so guys, this right here is, I guess it's like a self check-in. So what you do is you come up here, and there's this little, I don't know, office type thing, and you can just check yourself in. I really haven't seen a whole lot of employees. We see a truck every once in a while coming through, but for the most part, this is all self camping. So for the most part, yep. And so that's the campground right up there, and they do have 25 sites. And yeah, let me show you real quick. Okay, so yeah, it's fairly cheap. Campsites 1 to 17 are 20-30 amp, and they're $18.53. And the full service ones are $22.89. And if you're senior citizen or South Carolina disabled, you get a pretty big discount there. And of course, the camp post is on site 19, right next door to us. And Yeah, so see, like I said, the dump station's closed, so you have to use one of the full service sites for your dumping. And I guess you just get your envelope and you put it in there. And so here's their little map they have. I didn't get one when we came in because I never have checked in with anyone, so we don't have one. But yeah, it says they have a swim area, but I haven't really seen it yet. Not sure. Anyway, there you go. Okay, so these roads right here are very rough. Coming into the campground itself, John's taking the trash. It's just very bumpy for a big rig to get in here. It wasn't easy for us at all. See the dips? It's like all dippy and bumpy and just really rough. And on up there, there's some as well. So. Okay, so this right here is a fishing pier, like a fishing shelter. So let's go check it out. Okay, so apparently this is a fishing pier. So we're gonna go check it out. I guess we can come in here. It's public, right?
I guess.
There's a ladies' bathroom. Let's check it out. Well, how come it's not, there's no water?
Shelter 1.
It's just a shelter.
This part's the shelter.
Okay.
Down there's the fishing pier.
Oh, okay.
Down there.
Oh, is that a swimming? Oh, that's fishing.
There's a nature trail. Yeah, I bet that nature trail will lead straight to it.
Yeah.
Less hills, but I bet there's a lot more ticks.
Yeah. Okay.
Psyched you out, didn't
It psyched me out.
Yeah.
There we go. Okay, so here's the entrance to the park. You'll notice back on the sign, you go to the left to get to the campground, to the right to get to the park office. My suggestion is when you come to the entrance right here and you come to this fork in the road, don't bother going down to the park office. Go on down, take the left fork, go on down to your campsite, get parked, wait till 4 o'clock in the evening, and then come up to the park office. Walk up, or I wouldn't suggest biking. John tried that, and
yeah,
that was a little rough. It's real hilly and bumpy and just not really good for riding bikes. So just walk back up to the park office. And actually, honestly, we haven't checked in. Nobody said anything to us. The park office is only open 2 hours of the day. So my thoughts are it's just more kind of self-pay and self-regulated. So
hurry up and get
yeah,
over
so this is the fork. There's the trash bin. It's right at the entrance. Go to the left here at the fork, like I said, because we did take our RV on up to the park office, and if there had been more cars there, we wouldn't have been able to get it out very easy at all. So it's not really big rig friendly at the park office. Okay, here's the little place at the park office. There's the lake. It's got a really cute lake and some good shelter. So if you wanted to come for a day trip, I think it'd be nice. It's just finding a person is a little bit difficult. So for us, it's been almost impossible. There's the office. And so you got this little bitty parking place down here. And it's really bumpy, just not really friendly for big rigs. We were able to get through here. There was a few cars sitting here. We were able to get through, but you can't circle around like this little road is supposed to kind of circle around back up to here, but it's extremely bumpy on the other side, so I wouldn't suggest it. It's got a nice little playground. Yep, and then there's the little office right there. John, tell them what you think about it.
I don't like their hours, that's for sure.
Yeah.
If you want service, if you want to be serviced, then I wouldn't recommend coming to this park.
Yeah. Yeah, but they do have Wi-Fi down here, which we have not tried.
Yeah.
At all. Okay, so here's their history of it. If you want to pause and take a minute to read, then yep, go ahead and do that. Bathhouse in the war, or what?
Created by the CCC.
Okay. Yeah. Barnwell State Park. Go ahead. Yeah, you get a map.
Ooh, bees.
So you can come up here and get your own map. Yeah. So. Cool.
Yeah.
Awesome.
These are the office hours.
Mm-hmm.
Horrible hours.
Information, please. They have information. There is a bee. Okay.
I don't think they'll hurt you.
They have others?
This is the men's one.
They even have a sign that says, please forgive our rest.
While we improve your state park.
Now this is...
Are you sure about that?
So I guess that... Oh, look at all these bees. So I guess that you come up here and you rent.
Ah, that's one good thing. They have lemonade and Powerade over here.
Oh. You like that kind?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay. So look. They have these... I guess you rent these because you reserve these. Because there's little tags. Oh my goodness. Are those kind of stingy?
No. No, I've heard that they aren't.
Okay, those are a nice little sitting area. I want to walk down this path if these bees will move. This is a nice little area right here. It's sunny, so you better expect to, you know, wear some sunscreen or something out here. Which I don't mind the vitamin D, so.
Looks like you can rent
those,
whatever those are.
You can rent boats.
Or renting.
That must be something. I don't know what that is. So I wonder, can you swim?
Well, I don't know. It looks like they got that thing over there. They used to have something like that, but it was like a float kind of thing at my camp I used to go to.
I bet you can swim.
Yeah, maybe so.
You want to walk across to the thing? At least I got the information for this one. I didn't think I was going to get information on this park. So I'm happy about that. Let's figure out where to go. Here's a shower. Do you need a shower?
Huh?
You need a shower?
I don't know.
There's a shower. I guess you can swim here because
it's kind of an open shower.
Well, they wouldn't have a shower if you couldn't swim, right?
I guess not.
So I bet you can swim down here. I don't know if I would swim down here.
Yeah, I don't know.
Because it's kind of dark waters, but, you know, if you're into that. Okay, we're gonna go in here and check out the bathhouse and shower house. I thought I saw someone carrying laundry, so there may be a laundry room. That's the one.
It's probably in the middle. I saw a door in the middle.
Did you?
Unless that's some kind of maintenance thing.
Oh.
Here's the women's bathroom.
Yeah, there's the ones. So, you don't have to go in, you just stay up. Okay, okay, so what do we give this campground, Barnwell State Park in South Carolina, Blackville? What do you give it? I give it a kind of thumbs up for some things and a thumbs down for others.
Well,
right, there's
overall, I don't know if I'd stay here again. It's a pleasant park.
It's quiet.
If you like quiet, but I'm gonna have to give it a thumbs down.
Well, yeah, if you come for quietness, this is a great place. If you come for customer service and things,
that's what I would come for.
Maybe not.
Because I spend the weekends doing equipment, singing and stuff. I don't want to have to check in myself.
But we never tried the Wi-Fi, so we're not sure how that works. We probably won't walk back up there. We've been here for a couple days, and we're actually going to be leaving tomorrow morning and heading up to Columbia, and we'll check y'all out then. And if you're still breathing,
there's still hope.
There's still hope.
God bless y'all.
Yep. See you later.
Oh, and guys, also like and share this video, and also subscribe and hit the bell for more content. If you hit that bell, it really helps. You'll know whenever we post. You'll be the first to know. So thank you, and God bless once again.